So here we have a sensor switch that's used for turning the speed controller in a 650 vacuum pump kit from the play to the rewind mode, or from the rewind mode to the play mode. In this position right now, the way that the switch is, the position the switch is in right now, it's in the rewind mode. And when the play rewind lever is shifted to the play position, it pulls the switch on. You can see that this is a spring-loaded switch. And when the unit is shifted to the play position, it shifts the switch to the on position. But I want you to notice something that's happening here, and I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so you can see this more clearly. There we go. Notice that when I pull the switch on, this little tab right here, what's that little tab right there? You can see that when I relax the switch, even though I've got no tension on the wire whatsoever, no tension on the string whatsoever, that little tab right there is holding the switch in the on position. So even though the transmission is shifted into the rewind position, the sensor switch is telling the controller that the unit is still in play, and therefore the speed of the motor is staying the same. Even though you're shifting in the rewind, the speed of the motor is staying the same as it would be if the unit was in play, which of course is way too fast normally, and will cause the roll to rewind at an exceptionally fast speed. So now, even if I kind of jerk the wire, sometimes I can get it to release, but most of the time, even though you can see there's no tension on this whatsoever, no tension on the string, it's still getting stuck. So how do you solve that problem? Well, it's pretty simple. You just take that and you cut that off so that it can't hang up, so that it's never making contact with the wood, and the problem is solved. Now that problem's never going to happen again.